Good morning, everyone. My name is Alex Rain Kaendoy, and I will discuss to you the life, works, and writing of Jose Rizal. So, who is Jose Protasio Rizal? Jose Protasio Rizal Mercado y Alonso Realanda, famously called Jose Rizal, was a Filipino nationalist, writer, and also innovative, born on June 19, 1861 in Calamba, Laguna, Philippines. On June 19, 1861, the Mercado family from the town of Laguna in the province of Laguna in the Philippines happily greeted the birth of their newest member. A boy born was the seventh child of proud parents, Francisco Rizal Mercado y Alejandro and Teodora Alonza y Quintos. They named the bouncing baby boy Jose Protasio Rizal Mercado. Being the seventh of the brood of 11, Jose Rizal Mercado demonstrated as an outstanding intelligence and aptitude for learning at a very young age, when he learned his letter from his mother and could read and write at the age of 5. Education was a priority for the Mercado family. Young Jose Protasio was sent to learn from Justiniano Aquino Cruz, a tutor from nearby Binyan, Laguna. But the education of a small town and tutor did not sufficiently quench the young man's thirst for knowledge, and soon the family began to make preparation for his admission to the Ateneo Municipal de Manila, in the capital of the Philippines. The school was run by the Jesus Order and was the most prominent and academic institution in the country, which catered to the rich, the powerful, and most intelligent students in that country. So here are the Rizal siblings. First is Saturnina, Neneng Rizal, oldest Rizal children. Next is Pasian Rizal, older brother and confidant of Rizal. Narcisa or Cisa Rizal, her pet name was Cisa, and she married Antonio Lopez, nephew of Father Leoncio Lopez, a school teacher of Morong. Olympia Rizal, Impia was her pet name. She married Silberto Obaldo. Lucia Rizal married Mariano Herbosa of Calamba. Maria Biang Rizal, she married Daniel Faustino Rizal. Jose Pepe Rizal, the greatest Filipino hero and peerless genius. Concepcion Concha Rizal, she died of sickness at the age of 3. Josefa Pangoy Rizal, she died an old maid at the age of 80. Trinidad Trining Rizal, she died also an old maid in 1951 at the age of 83. Soledad Choleng Rizal, she married Pantaleon Quintero of Calamba. Jose Pepe Rizal, the greatest Filipino hero, peerless genius during his exile in Dapitan, he lived with Josephine Bracken. Pasiano Rizal, older brother of confidant of Rizal, had 2 children by his mistress. Certainly a place for a young man like Jose Portacio Mercado to prior his enrollment in his prominent learning institution. His older brother Pasiano Rizal Mercado insisted that Jose drop the username Mercado because during that time, Mercado is under suspicion of Spaniards. Jose Rizal decided to study for a degree in land surveying and assessment at the Ateneo de Municipal de Manila, where he graduated on March 14, 1877. His honors orso brillante, he took and passed the licensure exam for land surveying and assessment in 1878, but was not given a license until 1881. When he turned 21, after his completion of his degree from Ateneo Municipal de Manila, he pursued his passion for the arts as he enrolled at the Faculty of Arts and Letters for degree of philosophy at the University of Santo Tomas. Although he excelled at philosophy, the news of his mother's impending blindness convinced from his study medicine, and he enrolled in the Faculty of Medical Science at the University of Santo Tomas to specialize in ophthalmology. Citing discrimination against Filipino students by the Dominican professors in medicine, Rizal left the medical program in 1882, believing that education in the country is limited, boarded to ship to Spain with the support of his brother Pasiano, but without informing his parents. The 10 years he would spend in the European continent would leave an inedible mark on his personality and open his eyes to the world, develop his natural talents, and strengthen his devotion to his fatherland. In Spain, he continued to studies that he was told in the Philippines and enrolled at the Universidad Central de Madrid, where he graduated in 1884 with a degree in medicine, and a year later with a degree in philosophy and letters from the same institution. Even after the completion of these two degrees, he still was not satisfied and traveled to France and studied at the University of Paris. In his pursuit and further increase his knowledge in his chosen field of specialization ophthalmology, he studied at the University of Heidelberg under the distinguished eye specialist, Professor Arthur Barker. Even closer to home, Rizal saw the treatment accorded to his beloved mother by the Spanish authorities, who accused her of attempting to poison her cousin and sent to the jail in Santa Cruz, Laguna. Teodora Mercado was made to walk 16 kilometers from their home to the prison and was incarcerated for 2.5 years until a successful appeal to the highest court of the Spanish. During his stays in first day in Europe, Jose wrote his novel No Me Tangere. The book was written in Spanish and first published in Berlin, Germany in 1887. The Nole, as it more commonly known, tells the story of a young Filipino man who traveled to Europe to study and returns home with new eyes to injustices and corruption in his native land. Rizal used elaborate characters to symbolize the different personalities and characteristics of both the colonizers, forgetting their own nationality. The Spanish friars, who were portrayed as lustful and greedy men who robbed his sought only to satisfy their own needs, and the poor and ignorant members of society who knew no other life but one of the abject poverty and currently under the yoke of the church and state. Rizal's first novel was a scathing criticism of the Spanish colonial system in the government of the Philippines, was meant in harsh reaction from the elite, the church, and the government. Upon his return to the country, he was summoned by the Governor General of the Philippine Revolution. Rizal wrote a second novel, El Filibusterismo, and published in 1891, where the protagonist of Noli, Ibarra, was a pacifist and advocate of peaceful means of reforms to enact the necessary change in the system. The lead character in Philly, Simeon, was more militant and preferred in insight and armed uprising to achieve the same end. Hence, the government could not help but notice that instead of being merely and commentary of Philippine society, the second novel could become the catalyst which would encourage Filipino to revolt against the Spanish colonizers and overthrow the colonial government. So influential was Rizal that even without his permission they named him as a member of Katipuneros, shouted his name as part of his reported accusation when the revolutionary movement. The court found him guilty and sentenced him to death. Andres Bonifacio were trying to save Jose Rizal, but Pasiano stopped him, saying that Rizal don't want others to be endangered because of him. Rizal is able to sneak out and final poem to his family entitled Mi Ultimo Adios. Rizal was executed by firing squad on December 30, 1896 at 7 a.m. in Bagumbayan, now called Rizal Park. Squad his last word were the shout, "It is done." Bonifacio and his Katipuneros ambushed some Spanish soldiers and win against them. They also killed a Spanish priest. The rebellion started to breed fruit and their hard works to be paid. That's all, and thank you.